If you got an old iPhone 11 from someone and want to erase all content and settings, what to do? Check the video to get tutorials. Tip 1. Factory reset iPhone 11 via iCloud. Launch the browser on PC or Mac to go to iCloud.com website. Sign in to your Apple ID and select Find iPhone option. Search the section All Devices and find your iPhone. Click on the Erase iPhone button to reset your iPhone. Tip 2. Factory reset iPhone 11 without password. Download and run iMobi Any Unlock on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone 11 via a USB cable. Select Unlock Screen Passcode feature and click Start Now. Click to download firmware. When the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. After the screen passcode is removed, set up your iPhone, and done. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel to get more tips.